Welcome to VisualParadigm SysML V2 Studio Kickstart Guide. SysML V2 Studio Mastering Guide AI-powered modeling. Even for experienced architects, manually writing every definition, connection, and requirement in a SysML V2 tool can be time-consuming. The complexity of modern systems demands a faster way to iterate on designs. You might have a clear conceptual idea, but don't want to spend the next hour typing out the boilerplate structure required to see it visualized. SysML V2 Studio introduces a paradigm shift, AI-assisted modeling. By integrating advanced large language models directly into the SysML V2 IDE, we've enabled a workflow where you can describe your system in plain English and receive valid, structural SysML V2 code in seconds. This isn't just about speed, it's about reducing the cognitive load of syntax so you can focus on the engineering logic. Unlike general-purpose AI tools, the AI assistant in SysML V2 Studio is specifically tuned for systems engineering. It understands the relationships, constraints, and semantics of the V2 standard. Our SysML V2 editor provides two primary ways to collaborate with the AI. Direct generation. Start with a simple prompt. Whether you need a high-level architecture for an autonomous drone or a requirement hierarchy for a medical infusion pump, the AI assistant generates the foundational code and automatically selects the most appropriate diagram view to display it. Contextualization. Generating based on file. This is where the real power lies. You can take any existing model, such as a complex industrial example, and tell the AI to adapt it to your specific needs. Instead of the AI guessing your architecture, it uses the currently opened file as a structural reference, ensuring the generated code follows your established patterns and naming conventions. Let's see how the SysML V2 Studio helps in recontextualizing a system. We take an existing room model and use the AI to transform it into a different type of system, maintaining the structural rigor of the original. In the Examples pane, navigate to Examples, Room Model. You will see a complex definition of a room. At the top of the code editor, click the button labeled Generate based on this file. Notice that the workspace automatically switches your left pane to the AI assistant. The context field is now populated with the room model file you just had open. In the prompt box, type something that changes the context while keeping the complexity. For example, adapt this room model into an assembly hall model. Hit the Generate Code button. You will see the AI start to write the new SysML V2 code in the Assistant's preview window. Once the code is generated, you can click Copy to Clipboard button or use the Create New File option, if available, to save the brand new, AI-generated system model. Click Create New File now. The new code opened in the editor. Within milliseconds, the SysML V2 tool will render a visualization of your assembly hall, complete with the inherited logic from the room model reference.